Have you ever opened your banking app and thought, where did my money go? You work hard, you pay your bills, and yet, before your next paycheck, your balance is already disappearing. It's one of the most frustrating feelings in the world. But here's the truth. It's not always the big expenses that destroy your savings. It's the small, sneaky habits that silently drain your bank account month after month. I used to think I was good with money, until I realized I was losing thousands every year to tiny daily choices. This is Budget and Beyond. On this channel, we break down personal finance, budgeting, and motivation so you can build wealth without losing your sanity. Today, I'm exposing the 7 tiny expenses that are stealing your savings and how to stop them. Let's start with the most common one: subscriptions. Netflix, Spotify, Disney Plus, gym memberships, cloud storage, apps you forgot you even downloaded. Each one seems harmless. $10 here, $15 there, but add them up and you're losing hundreds every month. Let's do the math. Netflix, $8 and Spotify, $12 gym, or $50, that's $80 every month, nearly $1,000 a year. And studies show that over 60% of people don't even use all their subscriptions regularly. Fix it. Once every few months, become a subscription auditor. Check your statements and ask, am I still obsessed with this? If not, cancel it. Want to keep streaming? Rotate them. Watch everything on Netflix for a month, cancel it, and move to Disney Plus. You'll save hundreds and never miss a show. Okay, this one hurts, because we all do it. That daily coffee, that quick lunch, that impulse snack because I deserve it. A $5 latte 4 times a week, that's $80 a month, $1,000 a year. A $15 lunch 3 times a week, that's another $2,240 a year. That's over $3,000 gone. And most of us don't even feel it because it's just a little treat. I used to grab a coffee and a sandwich every morning. It felt like self-care, until I realized I was literally drinking away a vacation every year. Fix it. You don't have to quit coffee. Just control it. Make your own once or twice a week. Meal prep 2 lunches. That one change alone can save you over $1,000 a year, without giving up your small joys. Ever scroll online, see a deal, and suddenly you're checking out with things you didn't even know you wanted? Retailers designed it that way. Flash sale. Limited time only. 50% off. It's psychological warfare. But here's the truth. If you weren't planning to buy it, you didn't save 50%. You spent 100% more than you meant to. I once bought a $30 gadget I thought I needed. Never used it once. Multiply that by dozens of small impulse buys a year, and you've easily spent $1,000 plus on nothing. Fix it. Use the 24-hour rule. See something you want, add it to your cart, then wait one day. If you still want it tomorrow, get it. 90% of the time, you'll forget it even existed. And unsubscribe from promo emails. Out of sight, out of temptation. This one's sneaky because it hides behind the idea of saving time. Food delivery, ride shares, pre-cut groceries, they all promise convenience, but they charge a fortune for it. That $20 takeout order becomes $35 after delivery fees, service fees, and tips. Do that once a week, and you're losing over $500 a year, just in fees. Even grocery shortcuts add up. Pre-cut fruit or shredded cheese costs double what whole versions do. Fix it. Plan 1 hour a week for food prep and errands. Ask yourself before ordering, am I buying convenience or just being lazy? Cook simple meals. Walk short distances. It's small effort for big financial reward. This one makes my blood boil, because it gives you nothing in return. Overdraft fees, monthly maintenance fees, late fees, banks profit when you slip up. The average overdraft fee? Around $27. Do that 4 times and you've lost $108 for nothing. And if you're carrying a credit card balance, that interest is a silent killer. Fix it. Automate everything. Set up low balance alerts. Switch to a no-fee bank. Auto-pay your credit card minimums so you never miss a due date. Automation turns money mistakes into money control. So many people pay for the ultimate version of things they barely use. Unlimited phone plans, premium software, elite gym memberships, Costco cards for families of 2. That just-in-case mindset costs you hundreds every year. Example: if you're on Wi-Fi most of the day, that $90 unlimited data plan is probably wasting 40 plazers a month. That's $480 a year gone for data you never use. Fix it. Do a yearly plan audit. Check your phone usage, subscriptions, and memberships. Downgrade to what actually fits your lifestyle. You don't lose quality, you gain cash flow. And the last one might surprise you: the health tax. Those little unhealthy choices you make daily, soda, snacks, energy drinks, drain both your energy and your bank account. A $2 soda and a $2 snack each workday, that's over $1,000 a year. But it's not just the money. Poor health affects your focus, your mood, and your earning potential long term. Fix it. Start small. Swap one unhealthy purchase for a healthy one. Water instead of soda, a homemade snack instead of vending machine junk. You'll save money and build momentum for everything else in life. Here's the truth: you don't need to be perfect with money. You just need to be aware. Every dollar you spend is a choice. Every habit is a seed. It can either grow wealth or drain it. If you close these tiny leaks, you'll be shocked how fast your savings grow. Comment below, which of these 7 expenses is stealing the most from your wallet? And for your next step, watch my video on how to create a simple budget that actually works. This is Budget and Beyond, where we make wealth simple. Thanks for watching, and remember,